Hi everyone, my name is Banu and welcome back to Space Everyday. Today we are going to learn about the Spirit and Opportunity rovers. First, let's learn about Spirit. Spirit is a robotic rover on Mars which launched on 10th June 2003 on top of a Delta II rocket. It landed on Mars on January 4th, 2004. Spirit was expected to last only 90 sols or about 92 Earth days on Mars, but it lasted for 2,269 Earth days or about 6.2 Earth years. On March 24, 2010, NASA lost communications with the Spirit rover. NASA tried to restore communications with the rover until May 24, 2010 with no response from Spirit. On May 24, 2010, NASA announced that efforts to communicate with the unresponsive rover had ended, calling the mission complete. Spirit weighed 185 kg on the Earth, excluding the lander and parachutes. Including all the other components which Spirit used to land, it weighed 1063 kg on Earth. Spirit landed using a parachute, a lander, and an airbag. The parachute slowed down the spacecraft using the air, and the lander used the engines to slow down the rover much more, and finally, the lander separated and the airbag with Spirit inside touched Mars. It bounced and bounced and bounced and finally came to a stop. After some time, it opened and Spirit deployed its solar panels. Spirit traveled 7.73 kilometers in its 6.2 years on Mars. Spirit studied the history of climate and water at sites on Mars where conditions may have once been favorable to life. Spirit uncovered strong evidence that Mars was much more wetter than it is now. Now let's learn about Opportunity. Opportunity launched on 8th July 2003, 4 weeks after its twin, Spirit. Opportunity was nicknamed as OP. It landed on Mars on January 25th, about 3 weeks after Spirit. Just like Spirit, Opportunity was also expected to last only 90 sols. We learned that Spirit lasted much more than NASA expected it to last, but Opportunity lasted many more days than Spirit. Opportunity was able to stay operational for 5,111 sols after landing, maintaining its power and key systems through continual recharging of its batteries using solar power and hibernating during events such as dust storms to save power. This careful operation allowed Opportunity to operate for 57 times its design lifespan, exceeding the initial plan by 14 years and 46 days. By June 10, 2018, when it last contacted NASA, the rover had traveled a distance of 45.16 kilometers or 28.06 miles. Due to the planetary dust storm on Mars, Opportunity entered hibernation and stopped communications with NASA on June 10, 2018. NASA hoped it would reboot itself once the weather cleared and start communications with NASA again, but it did not. NASA expected that there was some failure in its instruments or that the dust covered Opportunity's solar panels. So, if the dust covers the solar panels, Opportunity will not be able to recharge its batteries and communicate with NASA. NASA hoped to re-establish contact with the rover, waiting for a windy period that could potentially clean off its solar panels. But despite NASA trying to re-establish contact with the rover for over 6 months, there was no response. So NASA declared the mission end on February 13, 2019. Opportunity landed the same as Spirit and also launched on the same rocket Delta II. Just like Spirit, Opportunity weighed 185 kg on the Earth, excluding the lander and parachutes. Opportunity was a crater explorer and explored hundreds of craters in its 14 years on Mars. It also found more evidences that Mars had water back then. That is it for today. Please like, share and subscribe for more. Thank you.